Today I have an announcement to make. We're going to be having an open house at my facility of Live Your Way Thin, which is located in Danbury, Connecticut. The open house is going to be this coming up Thursday, that's May 11th, between 4 and 6:45. Okay, this is my facility here. This is one of our weight training rooms. In here is just you and the trainer in a private setting. You have everything you need for full body workout. In this room, you have all the aerobic machines you need to get a good aerobic workout. And then we also have another section because each trainer has his own room that he works privately with his clients. So this is one of the rooms. And then back here, we have another weight training room. Again, you have everything you need for full body workout. If you have been struggling with losing weight and getting in shape, and you would like to learn how I help people get in shape with minimum disruption to their everyday life, come to my open house. I will be here to answer any question about my approach, and besides the foods and drinks, I will also have 4 of my favorite Greek dishes available for sampling. And if it's something you like, I have the recipes available for you to take home. Again, the open house is this Thursday, May 11th, between 4 and 6:45 p.m. and you can stop by at any time. My facility is located at 18 Mill Plain Road in Danbury, Connecticut, right next to the Mill Plain Diner. If you live in the greater Danbury area, I truly hope you can stop by. For those of you who do not live locally, I will be having a virtual open house in the near future about my online services. If you would like to be notified about the virtual event, send me an email to Stavros at liveyourwaythin.com and put virtual event on the subject line. Thank you.